expected. Okay, so I know this looks pretty bad, but what if, get this, there really are tons of intermediate fossils, and we'll totally find those later, say, under the sea? Fantastic idea, Chuck. I'm sure it'll just sort itself out and won't be a nagging problem for decades to come. No siree. Back to work, boys. Hey Chuck, good news. We've invented these giant drills that can take samples from the sea floor. How about we finally find those pesky fossils we've been looking for? Awesome idea. Still nothing. I wonder what could be the problem. The answer wasn't under the sea either. The more they looked for the missing fossils, the more it confirmed Darwin's initial doubt. Some attempts were made to explain it, but they really fell short. Oh, I know. Maybe the Precambrian animals just didn't have enough hard bits that could survive the fossilization process. Those
Precambrian fossils were a lot more diverse than you think, and that you're leading your audience to believe. There were precursors of jellyfish, sponges, possibly arthropods and mollusks, and even possibly chordates in the form of tunicates like Ossia and Yarnenia. Those are just a few. I'll just show some images here of some of the fauna that existed during the Precambrian, the Ediacan period. The Cambrian itself is split into several sections. The first one was the Fortunian, which was 540 million years ago, in which small shelly fauna and mollusks appear. Then stage 2, 530 million years ago, small shelly fauna and brachiopods diversified. Then stage 3, 520 million years ago, the first trilobites appear, Anomalocaris appears, and Pikaia appears, one of the first chordates. I think you're being deliberately dishonest.